Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot CRM and start tracking deals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and press enter. This will direct you to the HubSpot homepage. In the top right corner, locate the login button and click on it. You will be taken to a new login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your HubSpot account. After entering your email, proceed to type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot My Password link for recovery options. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. If your login details are correct, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. Now that you are logged in, locate the Sales section on the top navigation bar. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Deals. You will now see your Deals dashboard. To create a new deal, click on the Create Deal button, usually found at the top right corner. A form will appear for you to fill in the deal details. Start by entering a deal name in the designated field. Next, choose the associated pipeline and stage from the drop-down menus. You can also add details like the deal amount and close date. After filling in all necessary information, click the Save button. Congratulations! Your deal is now created and will be tracked in HubSpot. To view and track your deals, navigate back to the Deals section. Here, you can monitor the status of all your deals in one place. That's it. You are now ready to start tracking deals in HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.